Hello, traders. Let me ask you a question. Are you making money trading futures or are you struggling? Because most people are struggling. What I'm going to show you is the only futures chart that you'll ever need. My name is Steven from tradewithsteven.com. And in my live trade room, we trade the live NQ futures Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pacific time. The main chart is super simple, and we usually get 4 to 6 profitable trades per hour. Now, I have 7 different trade setups that I look for, and all the trade setups are listed right here above me. So let's go through today's chart, Thursday, 8/28, and it just so happens that every trade setup happens in the first 30 minutes of today. So here we are, the opening bell, and right away we have a standard cloud retracement and another standard cloud retracement. And here we have another standard cloud retracement. This black horizontal line I draw on the hundreds. So this one's on the 700. I'll have another one I'll show you in a moment on the 600. So here's another trade long standard retracement to the cloud, and here we have a trend line break, a beautiful trend line break, and the price is bouncing off the 700 level. So here we have one candle up, then candle down. We call this the El Primo trade, but this trade happens a little bit before the cloud is formed. And then we have a second El Primo trade right here. But we really don't take this trade because the entry would be sitting right on the 700 level, and we want to avoid that. But we have a third El Primo trade. The second and third El Primo trades are very strong. We go short here. We have another retracement to the cloud here. And here we have a beautiful trend line break. And here's an El Primo trade short right here. We come down, and here we have the counter trend trade where here is the 600 level, and the price comes down to the 600 level, comes up, comes down again. The double bottom is within 5 points of each other. The MACD is rising. That is the signal for the counter trend trade. So we take that. Here's another El Primo trade short. You could skip this if you want. It's sitting right next to the 600 level. But boom, second El Primo trade. We jump on this one. Look at all that beautiful profit. Let's keep going on. And we have a trend line break. And here we have a retracement to the trend, retracement to the cloud trade. Another retracement to the cloud. Oh, here we have the long wicks exert pressure. So on this red candle, notice we have a long wick up, and then suddenly we have reversed 2 green up candles with long wicks. And this is a sign for sure that we're going to have some profit. So the cloud is forming. We have 2 candles with wicks. We take the long there. Boom. Excellent profit. And then here we have another retracement to the cloud trade. Here we have another double bottom. Comes down again within 5 points. We have a rising MACD here. We take the long here. And one more trade I want to show you. The final trade out of the 7 is the consolidation setup trade. We have down, up, down, up, down, up, or up, down, up, down, up, down. And this is actually a double consolidation trade. You need 4 candles to form the consolidation trade. I like to take the trade when it breaks to up or down with the trend. And sure enough, it's breaking up with the trend right here. So we go long here. Boom! Some more profit. Listen, I give you a 7-day free trial. After the free trial is over, my room is only $99 a month. I hope to see you there. Let's trade together. Let's make profit together. See you shortly.